Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code P0400 indicates a leak detected in the exhaust gas recirculation EGR system of a Honda Accord from 2012 to 2017. This system plays a crucial role in controlling emissions, specifically by recirculating a portion of the exhaust gases back into the engine, which helps in reducing nitrogen oxides, NOx. If the EGR system is malfunctioning due to a leak, it can lead to an incorrect air-fuel ratio, triggering the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, to store this code and illuminate the malfunction indicator lamp, MIL. In a functional EGR system, a corresponding lift value must correlate with air-fuel compensation values. A deviation prompts the PCM to identify this anomaly. Proper diagnosis of this DTC involves understanding the EGR system components, their locations, and potential causes for the malfunction, ensuring correct repairs can be made. In conclusion, diagnosing and addressing DTC P0400 is vital for maintaining the overall health of the Honda Accord's engine and emission system. The EGR system plays a crucial role in managing nitrogen oxide emissions and ensuring the vehicle operates efficiently under varied conditions. Recognizing symptoms early, understanding possible causes, and following a systematic troubleshooting method can lead to timely repairs, ensuring compliance with emissions standards and enhancing vehicle performance. Regular preventive maintenance should also be prioritized to avoid future issues, creating a feedback loop that benefits both the vehicle and the environment. Engaging consistently with these practices keeps the vehicle in top condition and supports robust long-term performance. The error description for DTC P0400 details that the EGR system is unable to perform its intended function due to a leak. The main components involved include the EGR valve, which regulates the flow of exhaust gases, the EGR pipe, which directs these gases to the intake, and the lift sensor, which measures the EGR valve position. These components are primarily located in the engine bay, attached to the intake manifold or along the exhaust manifold. The EGR valve helps reduce harmful emissions by lowering combustion temperatures, thus minimizing NOx production. A sticking sensor, blocked passages, or leaks from the external piping can all contribute to the failure of this system. Accurate identification of a leak is essential, as it can impact overall engine performance and emission standards compliance. The diagnostic text highlights several possible causes that may lead to the triggering of DTC P0400. One significant cause could be the misinstallation of the EGR pipe, potentially leading to improper sealing and air leakage. If the EGR pipe is not positioned correctly, it cannot convey exhaust gases efficiently, resulting in a system leak. Another cause is the failure of the EGR valve itself. This component may become stuck or damaged over time, disrupting the proper flow of exhaust gases. Such failures can often lead to decreased engine performance and increased emissions. Understanding these causes allows for targeted troubleshooting and repair measures to restore the EGR system's functionality. When assessing DTC P0400, several symptoms may present themselves in the vehicle's operation. A primary symptom is poor engine performance, as the failure of the EGR system can lead to an incorrect air-fuel mixture, impacting acceleration and power delivery. Additionally, drivers may notice increased emissions, as the EGR system's failure results in inefficient combustion and higher levels of nitrogen oxides being emitted. The illumination of the malfunction indicator lamp, MIL, serves as an important alert that there is an issue needing attention. These symptoms not only indicate deficiencies within the vehicle, but also signify compliance issues with emissions regulations. compelling drivers to seek diagnostics and repairs promptly. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0400 is to start the engine and hold the engine speed at 3,000 revolutions per minute (RPM) without any load. This means ensuring that the automatic transmission is in park or neutral, or the manual transmission is in neutral, to prevent the vehicle from moving. It is crucial to maintain this RPM until the radiator fan turns on, which typically indicates that the engine has reached operating temperature and the proper diagnostic conditions can be established. Once the fan engages, the engine can then be allowed to idle, setting the stage for more detailed diagnostics to follow. This process helps the technician monitor the EGR system under specific conditions that are necessary for accurate diagnosis. The second troubleshooting step involves driving the vehicle at a steady speed of 25 miles per hour, or 40 kilometers per hour, kmh, or less, for at least 5 minutes. This controlled driving condition allows the PCM to monitor the engine's performance and the EGR operation under light load scenarios. A consistent speed is pivotal to gather data that is not influenced by rapid accelerations or decelerations, enabling accurate testing of the EGR system's response. This step is essential as it builds a diagnostic baseline before proceeding to higher speeds, ensuring that any malfunctions in the EGR system can be detected effectively. Proper adherence to this step is vital for comprehensive troubleshooting and repair strategies. In the third troubleshooting step, after maintaining a low speed, the driver must accelerate to at least 26 miles per hour, or approximately 41 kilometers per hour, while ensuring that the engine speed remains between 1,500 and 3,000 RPM. This transition allows for a comprehensive evaluation of the EGR system's functionality under a more demanding condition. Sustaining this speed and RPM range for at least 10 seconds is essential, as it provides the PCM with valuable data regarding EGR performance promptly. Successful completion of this step, combined with previous ones, can help in confirming the presence or absence of the error indicated by DTC P0400. It's important for the driver to adhere to traffic regulations during this process to maintain safety and compliance. After addressing the issues associated with DTC P0400, the final repair verification step involves ensuring that all repairs have been properly completed and that the DTCs are cleared from the PCM's memory. This process includes retesting the vehicle through the previously outlined driving cycles to confirm that the EGR system is functioning optimally and that no future malfunctions occur. Only once all diagnostic tests demonstrate consistent results supporting proper EGR operation should the codes be cleared. It is also imperative to observe the vehicle over the course of subsequent drives to ensure that the MIL does not re-illuminate, indicating that the repair has resolved the noted issues effectively. Proper verification solidifies the technician's work and supports ongoing vehicle reliability. To prevent future occurrences of DTC P0400 and ensure the EGR system remains in optimal condition, regular preventive maintenance is highly recommended. This includes routine inspections of the EGR components, particularly checking for blockages, leaks, and proper installation. Maintaining correct engine parameters, such as coolant temperature, air intake temperature, and air/fuel ratios, is essential to support EGR functionality effectively. Routine cleanings of the EGR system can help dispel carbon buildup that could lead to valve stickiness or blockages. Engaging in proactive maintenance measures reduces the likelihood of experiencing EGR-related problems down the line. saving both time and costs associated with repairs and ensuring compliance with emissions regulations. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.